Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hadian kejing khalat kan sanna ulampang ke ying dorbar thawan ke jela, na kejing pang ke balabat utang sipor kata Dr. Don Kuparoy. Menta kisang san pertai baper hakani ke jela, kin ha ban wat pat yu kertong ubala ban simti yakni ke syuki, bahak do hayeng dorbar thawan ke jela. Ke karai ke ban sasyem halor kani da kan hon ya senrap lang hakabat hayu ke sarkar hakani ke jela Meghalaya. Ka Batisi TV kalayoru banyak keren kerpang, bat way na kinangilam jong kaseng National People's Party. Haka juga por bolong ru unong aibon jong menteri rang ba kejela u Thomas Sangma. Nakaliang u Thomas Sangma uloong basyen ka kanhon jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kan sasyong jelang bat kan sarai u kortong uban penyekon na kabenta kani kasyuki lampang ke yang terbar thawan kejela.
We have already made our stand clear in this regard. So our stand still is still the same. So let's see if that comes, we will decide. Of course, as a responsible person, if the responsibility is given, why should anybody just shirk away? I would say so. But it's not that it is being offered to me or like that. It's not. I'm in any capacity to serve the state. I would say. The alliance remains undivided. So, keeping in mind of that commitment that we have made, we will not enforce that we should come to us. But however, if we are given the privilege or the responsibility, of course, we will not step back. If the opportunity comes to us, of course, NPP will definitely want to have a speaker's post. But me being keen to take that post, it's not like that. If the partners want. Of course, anybody who will be offered that post will have to take it with honor and try to be able to fulfill the aspirations of the house or of the MLAs. Everybody is open to their opinions, but it is the elected representative who will take the call. I would say. No, we will sit. Officially, we have not said. As I said, we will sit down. MDA will say. MDA will say. Yeah. Then we will take everyone's opinion, and we will go by the kind of consensus, the voice of the majority. Okay. We have not decided who will salute, take the salute, in which place. So these are the few things that we